Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is super important, especially if you are targeting a AI, backend or full stack roles as a fresher, because in this video I have got 4 different opportunities and each one targets a completely different skill set. So make sure to watch this video till the end because one of these might perfectly match your profile. Let's start with the first opportunity, and this is from Harman Connected Services. They are hiring for the role of foundational engineer, and this is based in Gurgaon. Now, even though it says a fresher, this is not a basic level role. This is for people who are already serious about AI. In this role, you will be working on building real machine learning systems, not just training models, but actually deploying them in production. You will be designing models for prediction, classification, and analytics, and also working with modern Gen AI tools like GPT, Llama, Mistral, BERT, and more. On top of that, you will be building RAG based systems, AI chatbots, and agent based workflows using tools like LangChain and similar frameworks. So, this is very much aligned with what's trending in the industry right now. They also expect you to have hands on experience with tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Hugging Face, and MLOps tools like MLflow, Docker, Kubernetes, etc. And MLOps tools like MLflow, Docker, and Kubernetes. And here's the important part, they clearly mention you should have completed AI/ML training from a reputed organization and have at least 6 months of experience in ML or Gen AI, even if it's a project based. So, this is not for complete beginners, this is for people who have already built something in AI. The salary is not officially disclosed, but typically it ranges between 6 to 9 LPA for freshers. Now, coming to the second opportunity, and this is from a Birlasoft. They are hiring for the role of Java Backend Developer, and it is based in Bangalore. This is more traditional backend role, perfectly for people focusing on Java. In this role, you will be working with core Java, Spring and Spring Boot, building backend systems and RESTful APIs. They expect you to have a solid understanding of Java, collections, and backend fundamentals along with knowledge of SQL or Oracle databases. You should also be familiar with tools like Git, GitHub, and servers like Tomcat, WebLogic, Apache, and basic Linux knowledge. And if you are someone preparing Java backend, I have 150 plus most asked Java interview questions. Make sure to check out the link in the description box. And now the third one is very interesting, especially for people who want to work in AI startups. This is from Avio AI. They are hiring for the role of full stack developer role, but this is not a normal full stack. This is actually an AI focused full stack role. The company is building an AI native supply chain operating system for life sciences, which means you will be working on real world industry problems. Now, in this role, you will be building backend systems using Python and Fast API and front end using React and Vite. At the same time, you will also be working on AI powered workflows and automation systems. So, it's a mix of full stack plus AI. And the best part, this is a work from home opportunity, so the location is not a problem. This kind of role is perfect if you want to get into AI product development, not just theory. Now coming to the fourth opportunity, and this one is from Altus Technologies. They are hiring for the role of full stack developer role, and this is open for engineering students, undergraduates, postgraduates, and freshers. So basically, most of you are eligible. This role is also work from home with hybrid flexibility, which is big advantage. In this role, you will be working mainly with Python backend using Django or Flask and collaborating with front-end teams using React. They expect you to have a basic knowledge of Python, web development, databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL, and some understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Nothing too advanced, they are looking for someone who is willing to learn and grow. Now, if I compare all four opportunities for you, if you are into AI or ML and already have some experience, then Harman is a good opportunity. If you are targeting Java backend roles, then Birlasoft is perfect. And if you want to work in a modern AI startup with real product exposure, then Evo.ai is a great choice. And if you are just starting out and want a beginner friendly full stack role, that too from remote, then Altos Technologies is also easy entry point. No matter which role you target, you need strong fundamentals, projects, and real skills. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And if you want more such high paying latest job updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.